I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am here at the inaugural NEXUS conference, and I'm catching up with Eric Dell, President and CEO of ABA, a partner in NEXUS. Hi, Eric. Thanks so much for catching up with me.
Thank you, Joanie. Great to be here. Great to be here.
So,
great event.
This is amazing how everything has come together, and I'd love to just take a walk with you and chat.
Sure. I think everything's going well.
Okay.
We got a good crowd.
Yeah, absolutely. This is really exciting. And it's quite something to participate in a brand new event when you've only been in the job for 9 months.
Right.
So you've had quite an onboarding. You are really almost literally boots on the ground in visiting ABA members. What are some of the key things that you've learned in visiting your members in their space?
Yeah, and I think I've learned a lot. To start with, I think a couple things that have stood out are bakers are really hardworking. It's hard work. It's really detailed work, and they are struggling. Some of the challenges they're having that I'm hearing over and over again is with workforce, workforce retention, being able to hire folks and find folks that meet the qualifications of skilled or unskilled workers that they need. So I think that workforce issue just comes up time and time and time again.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's not something that seems to be going away anytime soon.
I agree, and it's one of those things you learn, and you just keep trying to focus in on it and help the members.
Right. Okay, so there is something that I'm seeing and I'm hearing, and I bet you've seen it in the bakeries that you visited, and you see it all around with NEXUS, and that's collaboration.
Yep.
This is a joint effort between BEMA and ABA.
Yep.
What are you seeing, especially with your fresh perspective in the industry? What are you seeing with what collaboration means in our industry and the momentum that it's going to propel us forward, specifically toward IBIE?
Right. I think it's really important to collaborate. One thing I heard when I started at ABA was we're one big family, baking industry, right? Literally a lot of family businesses too. And people work together. They do a lot of business together. It's a small community. So we've really focused on trying to collaborate. You'll notice we're here at NEXUS, collaborating with BEMA on this event. We've got a fly-in coming up in November, which we're collaborating with ASB and RBA. So really trying to bring the industry together in collaboration. I think all this will lead up to IBIE in 2025. And the more we can work together, the better it is for the industry.
I've really noticed that this industry is just getting stronger and stronger, with companies working together, suppliers working with bakers, with industries coming together, or associations coming together. There's a lot of momentum going on.
I think there's a lot of excitement too. I think there's a lot of excitement about what's happening in the baking industry. I think the economy is doing fairly well, and I think that helps. But I think we have a lot of new blood. Kristen Spriggs also at ASB, and just a lot of new momentum working and learning from those who've been around, like Kerwin and others, and using our talents together to be strong for the industry.
Absolutely. Well, Eric, thank you so much for catching up with me. Let's get back to the excitement of NEXUS.
Yeah, great. Thank you very much.